Unfortunately, it appears that our colleagues are not able to join us this afternoon, but we want to make sure that you know that here in Sonoma County, there's many resources and activities for the whole community. We the Future Social Justice Conference 2023 will take place at the Petaluma campus of Santa Rosa Junior College on April 21st, a Friday from 9 a.m. till 2:30 p.m. This is an event hosted in collaboration between Santa Rosa Junior College and the North Bay Organizing Project. This is a free, the whole day of activities. There's going to be a keynote, and then there's going to be training. The idea here is how do we empower the community to speak up and to create equity in school and to create equity at work and to welcome and celebrate diversity. We the Future Conference is an event that has been happening since 2017. And again, the whole community is welcome. There's going to be trainings in English, trainings in Spanish. Some of them are going to be bilingual. And again, the goal here is that we as a community come together. The community came together after the fires. The community came together after COVID. And again, this is happening again. So you're all welcome to participate. You can go to the website wethefuture.santarosa.edu, wethefuture.santarosa.edu, and we can definitely make Sonoma County better. And it's important for our listeners who may be listening in Napa and other places, is not limited just to Sonoma County. If you're coming from Napa and you say, hey, let's learn some organizing ways to better Napa, let's do that. Because we are hearing that in Napa, there's a lot of serious issues. There are a lot of serious issues in regards to diversity within the schools. And during the pandemic, they used to have, prior to the pandemic, a lot of ethnic studies in the schools. And then when the pandemic happened, discreetly, it appears that the district, the school district over there in Napa, got rid of those programs. So we're hoping to set up interviews here in the next few weeks to hear from the nonprofit people who are working to create equity over there in Napa. I had another conversation just today with some organizers of another conference who said the same thing. They said, there is a lot of chaos, there's a lot of insecurity, and there's not a lot of equity in education. So come and learn, whether you're in Lake Mendocino or any other county in the area. Come over, participate. wethefuture.santarosa.edu. Put it in your calendar after you register. Put it in your calendar for April 21st from 9 in the morning until 2:30 in the afternoon. Hosted by Santa Rosa Junior College and the North Bay Organizing Project. Let's work together.